Hi guys, my name is Nitin. I hope you are doing well during this lockdown period and you must be doing what all you wanted to do for a long time. Amid all the conversations and the news about corona and its effects and opening up all the shops and markets, I would like to draw your attention towards one aspect, that there are two sections of the society who deserve highest form of regard nowadays: doctors and the police. We all know that doctors are considered as the fourth form of the god after Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Still, there is a particular section of the society who does not treat them well. They throw stones on them, they misbehave with them, and they treat them really badly. Those morons should be put behind the bars without any second thought. This is totally unacceptable and unpardonable. Doctors are treating the virus, the disease, and any disease does not discriminate between any religion, any caste, any color, nothing. Still, those morons does not understand that. Secondly, when I talk about police, not everything good comes into my mind. I'm sure most of us think the same way. Certain things come into mind, that they don't come on time, they're very late, they're not active, blah blah blah. After all, they are the people who are working for us day and night nowadays. During the lockdown period, they are the ones who provide necessary items to the needy ones. They are working 24/7 just to protect us from this deadly disease. I have seen police taking senior citizens to the hospitals, providing groceries to the needy people, and providing the food to the jhuggi people. And not only that, I have seen police feeding animals. They feed stray animals, stray dogs, cows and other animals. See the kind of responsibility they carry on their shoulders, on their head. We cannot imagine that. Still we blame that for certain things. So at least for the time being, we should be very thankful for these two sections of the society. They are working relentlessly without being tired, and absolutely they are totally devoted to their job. And because of those two sections, we are happy, safe inside our house. So we should be very thankful to them. And just my request, small request, that whenever we meet any doctor or any police, so we can say, at least we can do a small part of contribution to our, to show our gratitude. We can say thank you sir, or thank you ma'am. I think this is the least we can do to show our gratitude towards their act. Thank you.